going to quickly show you a couple of ways to freeze rows and columns in Excel. If you want to freeze just the top row of your sheet, click on View, then under Freeze Panes, click on Freeze Top Row. As you can see, the top row is now frozen in place. If you want to freeze the first column, click on Freeze First Column instead. If you want to freeze multiple rows at a time, select the row that is below the rows that you want to freeze. So in this example, I want to freeze row 1 and 2, so I selected the third row. Then click on View and click on Freeze Panes under Freeze Panes. This should have frozen the rows above the selected row. The same can be done for columns. If you want to freeze column A and B, select column C and click on Freeze Panes. If you want to freeze both rows and columns, then click on a cell so that the rows that you want to freeze are above the cell and the columns that you want to freeze are to the left of the cell. Then click on Freeze Panes. As you can see, we have frozen column A and rows 1 and 2. You can unfreeze panes by clicking on Unfreeze Panes.